Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Megabonk isn't launching, keeps crashing, or just won't start on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several proven methods to fix the problem step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library, locate Megabonk, right-click it, and select Properties. Click on Installed Files on the left sidebar. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game installation and repair or replace any missing or corrupted files. Once it's done, try launching Megabonk again. Solution 2. Right-click Megabonk again in your Steam library. Select Properties, then click Installed Files. Click Browse Local Files to open the game folder. Find megabonk.exe, right-click it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now relaunch your game. This often fixes permission or compatibility-related crashes. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, GPU, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to find and install the latest driver. Once it's done, restart your PC and try running Megabonk again. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it and go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new update is available, install it. This ensures your GPU is fully compatible with the latest version of the game. Solution 5. Open the link in this video's description. Scroll down and download both VC-Redist x86.exe, VC-Redist x64.exe. Once downloaded, open your Downloads folder. First, double-click VC-Redist x64.exe. Click Yes, accept the terms and wait for the installation to complete. Press Close when done. Don't restart yet. Then, double-click VC_Redist x86.exe, click Yes, accept the terms, and wait for it to finish. Once both are installed, restart your PC. This step fixes missing runtime components that can prevent Megabonk from launching. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Megabonk not launching or crashing on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.